it.
Do you know there was a fence there?
No.
Is that why you hit the brakes so hard? I've been...
Shit.
Are you okay?
Good job, Boo. You put that down nice, man. Did you do the split?
Boo, are you okay?
Yeah.
Nice.
I don't think he knows there was a fence there.
No, he didn't. He saw it at the last second.
I slid on the ground.
You had to, man. You did exactly what you were supposed to do.
Yeah?
Yeah. How's your, did you scrape out the skin or anything?
Front brakey, because you can stop in the nickel. You know, you didn't have time for that.
Yeah, I was like, what the heck is he doing? There's a fence right there. Didn't you see it?
I knew it was there. I just didn't know, like.
Yeah, it was that quick?
Yeah.
Scrape your side up?
Yeah.
See this?
Not bleeding too, sure.
See this, Boo? See that?
Yeah.
That's from going through a barbed wire fence on a motorcycle.
Really?
Want to see my leg?
You're not straight up.
I guaranteed that one there.
Is this still on?
Yeah,
Is
you
it
got
still on?
some scrapes.
Not bad.
Not too bad.
Not bad.
It might itch.
Here, hold that.
Did you get it on camera? Were you
Yeah,
recording?
It's still recording. Let me see my leg. Nah, I'm good. I just
That's it?
Just red.
The worst
yeah.
of it's on your ribs.
Yeah,
And it's not even that bad.
in my toe.
At least it was in his
Yeah, you need to wear some boots,
Yeah.
dude.
Yeah, I know.
Even if
But I felt like I would fall like skateboarding. I just put my.
Oh, you're okay, bub. He's always cat-like.
Oh, it's crazy. It's leaking.
It's just gas.
It's just gas.
You're
Just hit it on the side. It might not start right away either. Sometimes.
Cameron won,
You
huh?
got freaking way more power.
Yeah, his won, huh?
Hell yeah.
Damn it.
Well, that's because it's a 250 ounce against a 450.
Oh, yeah,
There's no
now we got dad
comparison.
against freaking little one.
Oh, they're gonna race. Who's gonna race?
Yeah,
Cameron?
but I don't want no more sliding
No, they
shit.
know where it's at now. Here, you strip blue.
I'm gonna stand over by the fence so you guys don't. Okay?
Yeah, it's down there.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I was
don't
gonna say,
go near.
if you see me and Boo, stop.
I slid freaking hella.
Dude, you did it perfect. The only thing you could have done better is slowed way down before then. But I mean, the way you saw the fence and then just tipped it on the side, that's how you're supposed to do it.
Yeah, I saw it, but I was using the brake and downshifting, but it wasn't slowing down in time, so I just had to slide out. You missed it, Lightning McQueen. What happened? Dad beat him on the 250. Dad's got more skill though. Where's my slide at? Is it right here? What? No. That's freaking long.
Right here?
Dude, I was probably going like 50, huh? Oh shit! He wiped it out too.
He's trying to do his little whoopsie around thing.
This fence is dangerous. Makes everybody wipe out at the last second.
When you wiped out, you're probably doing about 25.
See that when he came up over the hill, Cameron? He was a little bit wobbly.
I got a little wobbly up there too. There's little holes that get you up over there. You're like right here. Fence is right there. Jeez. Jeez, Mom.
That's quite.
We're at
That's not right.
Dead Horse Caves, right?
Yeah.
Feels soft.
I got dirt in my shoe. There's a dirt in my shoe.
There's a dirt in my boot. Trying to keep up with George.
Yeah.
Cameron and Boo right on my ass.
Whoa, this is cool. George, this flashlight don't work. Where did they go? I can still see. Wow, there's nothing but darkness in here. What the? Where's the? What? I can't see nothing now. Your flashlight you gave me doesn't work. No, it don't. Hey, I see you. Stay right there. Sup, Zane?
Where is it?
Dad has it.
That works, so just test it.
Oh, this is creepy.
Very creepy.
Sup, Gert? Dude, this is like
night mode
a...
on that?
to a point, it has night mode.
We call it the Bat Cave.
Hey, might as well call it that.
That's what we call it. Right.
Yeah, those caves over there. Pat,
You get in like this and you go like deep back, and then even if you get like way back there, then bats just start flying.
Really?
Out there.
Anyway, this goes way back in there, but you've seen it before. Tea Kettle Cave.
Tea Kettle. Awesome.
let's go. Are we going there next?
Yeah.
Okay. My magic powers wore off and now I hurt.
Your adrenaline wore off.
Yeah. Sink! Whoa. What the? There's a random hole. Whoa, check this out. I've never been here.
Cameron has with George.
Hold up. Wow. This gets crazy, dude.
It's like a big rabbit hole down there.
Where's Dad? Oh, he's right there.
He's taking a lead. He's using these cowboy instincts. Kind of get speed and then straighten out again.
Oh, my wrist. Check that out. What the heck? This is incredible. Ferns? Wow. It's amazing. There's just a hole and then there's an Ooga Booga over there. A bald Ooga Booga! I found him! Hi, George.
With it.
You made a scritchy noise and I heard you.
Darn it.
Smeagol.
Yes.
Wow. This is cool, huh, George? Yes. It's a hole and then it's just growing. What the? What are those? Zan, what if Link's Master Sword was right there? Cameron, make a Lay's potato commercial right now.
You want to get laid, you need the Lays.
What the fuck? People have been down here, probably Ooga Boogas. Why does it sound weird?
Echoes.
Oh. Is this at the end of the hole? It's wet over there. Oh, it's wet right here.
When we play frisbee in here,
You guys been here before?
yeah, I took these kids to
Cool. Hi, Mr. Dad. Hi.
This is where you take a picture.
What is this? Oh, it's like rules. This cave was damaged by a fire.
Yeah, I've heard somebody died in there.
Really?
Yeah, almost half a dozen. When the fire goes out, it doesn't have to draw to suck out the smoke, so it builds up.
Wow.
Kind of a lesson you only learn once you do it.
Sup?
Teresa and I
That's the last time you
and
ever
Rusty, remember that time we went up to Sun Valley and Tater jumped out of the truck?
Yeah.
They're tracking him down.
Oh.
Way up there in the mountains. I tried to find that place again. I want to go out there.
Oh, that
Oh,
road?
yay, cool.
Yeah.
That'd be fun on our KLR.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can go way up
And then
and
there's a
down
road
KLR.
called like Cherry Creek Road.
No,
It's a gravel road.
it's the
But no, I don't know what. I know.
south
Hi, Zen.
fork of the
What's that noise over
A
there?
cricket.
I'm just saying.
Thought it was
this road
Cameron
that I
for a
went
second.
up,
Oh,
all
okay.
these rocks. I wanted to go back and get some.
Yeah. Jack Sparrow. Where are we going now? Where are we going?
the Bat Cave.
The Bat Cave. It's got really cold. Whoa, a chicken feather. Ugh. There's a wild goat right there. Yeah. Sink. I lost Cameron. Marco. Cameron. He disappeared. A gremlin got him. Okay, bye. The wrong turn?
Yeah. Good.
Sink. Sink. Sink.
If you wear a tunic, you would say that.
Sink. Sink. Ah.
Oh, it feels so good in here.
It's nice and cold. Well, look at all these sticks. George, this reminds me of the...
Down here, the colder it gets.
Doesn't all these sticks remind you of the Mama movie?
Yeah, it kind of does.
Dude, yeah.
What?
The Mama.
Mama's
And there,
nest?
yeah, and there were sticks everywhere.
That's why they call it Pigeon Cave, probably because of pigeons that live here. There's a pigeon feather right there.
Hi, Eddie Bear.
Mountain goat.
Bye, Jill.
Look at this little chow wow.
Yeah, look at the mountain goat.
Hi, Jack.
Yeah. Hey, mountain goat.
Hi, everybody.
I freaking hate feathers or what?
No, they love to play with.
Cats love that.
I'm just gonna dip mine in the soap.
What you doing there?
Yeah, we just put them underwater for like a day. Probably and then dry them up. It probably all nights would drown.
Having fun there? What is that? What are you doing? Okay. The end of the adventure?
Yep, we're headed back to the truck. Peace out, baby.
Peace off.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, huh?
I know.